Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 3 of School from Home. Thanks for joining me for your morning meeting today. We're going to start right off with our calendar. Remember, it doesn't work when you touch the screen. Down that volume. Okay, we're going to make our calendar. It's March 2020. Let's say together: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, what day of the week is it today? So we're looking, today is not Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. It's glowing for us. The day that comes after Thursday is Friday. Today is Friday. Nicely done. Okay, so it's Friday, March 20th, 2020. Let's look at the calendar. It says the spring equinox is today, which means it's the first day of spring. So it's springtime today for the first time. All right, fill in the missing day and information. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What comes after Thursday? Friday. So we're going to slide Friday. All right, so we need to fill in the missing number. Let's count from this week. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 comes next. Excellent. All right, we do have a birthday on Monday in our class. It's Ravi's birthday. Okay, so we have the first day of spring today and Ravi's birthday on Monday. All right, today I picked the wind with a kite because March is often very windy. Here's our calendar. I'm going to save that for later. We're going to start today's Nearpod. So today's code, you're going to go to nearpod.com or use the Nearpod app, and if you're in my class, today's code is SFRXD. SFRXD. I'm going to enter the code here so I can join as a student. Great. Welcome to today's lesson. You're putting your name in and then hitting join session. So I'm putting Miss Megan. You're not putting Miss Megan. You're putting your name. All right, we're to our first question. This is the time where you type your whole name if you can. So I would type Megan Fink. You type your name. First and last if you can. When you're done typing your name, you hit submit. All right. So you're answering how old you are because we talk about our age. So you're marking how old you are today. I'm not going to do it because I'm not any of these ages. I'm a little bit older than that. But you're going to choose your name. Then hit submit. All right. Now let's look at our calendar to compare it to help us answer the questions. I'm looking on the calendar at the purple star and going up, up, up to see what day of the week it is. I can click it for help. It's Friday today. Friday starts with an F. So the first one starts with an M. That says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is a match. Friday, Friday. So click Friday. Okay. The date today is March what? We're looking for a number. So we go to where the purple star is, and here's a number. This is the number I want you to type in the box. It's the 20th. So we are typing 20 for the 20th. All right. How do you feel about your work today? So today, it doesn't look that nice outside. I'm pretty happy to be doing my work. How about you? Maybe you're going to be excited when your work is done. That's okay. I'm putting I am happy to do my work, but you could put how you feel about doing your work today. All right. So now's the part where we say what we're happy about. So you're trying to think of something that you're happy about today. So I know a lot of my friends get very happy about having pizza on Fridays. And I'm excited because I am going to have a bagel for breakfast when I'm done. So I am happy about bagels. I like my bagels with cream cheese. What are you happy about? You're going to have someone help you, and then you're going to write what you're happy about in this space and then hit submit. All right, let's look at the picture. So I see, what do we see in this picture here? That looks like a hungry squirrel, doesn't it? I'm going to bring it to the next page so we have plenty of room to type the things that we see. So what do you see in the picture? I see a squirrel. Can you say squirrel? Okay. What is the squirrel eating? Do you know what that's called? He's eating corn. When it's still on the cob, it's called corn on the cob. It's not separate, just on a plate. So I see a squirrel eating corn on the cob. Look at his mouth. He didn't swallow his food. So he has a full mouth. Now let's talk about what colors we see. I see the corn. What color is the corn? The corn is yellow. And what about the squirrel? I would say mostly he's brown. Do you agree? There's a little bit of white, but mostly the squirrel is brown. So now I'm going to write a sentence and you can borrow it. What do you see? I see a squirrel eating corn on the cob. Yum. It's making me hungry. All right. So you can borrow my sentence if you want. I see a squirrel eating corn on the cob. I started with one capital I at the beginning and there's no more capitals. And then I ended my sentence with a period. When you're done with your sentence, mine says, I see a squirrel eating corn on the cob. You hit submit. And that's it for our Nearpod lesson. Now to finish up our morning meeting, I went a little bit out of order today. The question for today is, where do you like to go in the car? So you're thinking about places you like to go in the car. Maybe you like to go with your parents to Costco or to a different store, Target, grocery shopping. Where do you like to go? I like to drive in my car and drive to the beach. 30 minutes away, you're driving over the bridge, and suddenly you feel like you're somewhere totally different. I think it's very relaxing to drive to the beach, and I love to drive to the beach with the windows down in the car, over the bridge. All right, so where do you like to drive in the car? You're going to look at someone nearby and say, good morning. But first I'm going to say it to you. Good morning. Now you answer me. Say, good morning, Miss Megan. Where do you like to go in the car? Now it's your turn to answer. Great job. It's okay if we like to go different places in the car. Now, you're going to turn to somebody nearby and say good morning to them. Don't forget their name. Now ask them, where do you like to go in the car? They might have a different answer. I'm going to help you. Ready? Where do you like to go in the car? Maybe they like to go to the same place you do. Maybe they like to go somewhere different. That's okay. Now, I took a picture of my backyard today because the weather is a little bit different. So take a second and look outside. I'm looking out my window, and this is still true. So when I woke up this morning, at my house, it was very foggy. Is it foggy near you? Foggy is not a weather that we see all the time. Foggy is when there's water in the air, but it's not raining necessarily. All right. The last thing that we have to do today is talk about our feelings. So you're thinking about how you feel today. I know a lot of you usually say that you're excited about it being the weekend or it being Friday today. So, are you excited, happy, angry, bored, confused, calm, frustrated, silly, nervous, or sad? So today my answer is a little bit different. I'm a little bit frustrated because I don't get to see my students. It's hard when I don't get to see you. So, how do you feel today? You're going to answer in a complete sentence using I, feel, and then your feeling. So maybe you're excited, maybe you're calm because you got to sleep a little bit late today. So you're going to tell me how you feel. And that's how we're going to end our morning meeting today. All right, thank you guys so much for coming and doing your work. Have a good day.